Hey everybody, how you doing? Hey, today's gonna be a pretty mellow day. Lots of work to do, but you know what? I'm gonna harvest some of that garlic and onion today. I've been a little skeptical, I'm not too sure if I'm doing it too early. I'm new at definitely doing garlic. I've done onions in the past, never been super successful, but the onions are looking pretty good. The garlic I'm a little worried about because they're kind of small, but you know what? I'll show you guys. You tell me what you think. You think if I done it too early, let me know. You think if I did it spot on, let me know, man. I need some encouragement, man. All right, so let's do some garlic and onion harvesting today. Come on, guys, let's do it. Cheers, brother. Cheers. This here. Here's some flight feathers. Okay guys, I didn't really do too many onions this year. Like I said, it's kind of, you know, I'm still learning this process and also trying to find the right space for it as well. I planted these in fall as well as the garlic to your left, and basically just amended the soil with compost and some chicken manure. It's pretty much the extent of it. So let's go ahead and do some unveiling here and see what this stuff looks like. It's all right. It's respectable. Good size onions in there, guys. Come on, this is sweet. Heck yeah. Going. Oh, you guys are a tennis ball. Cool. We caught a tennis ball, huh? There you go. Ready? Go get it. My dog, Willow. She's always knocking cameras over and everything else for that matter. All right, so now on to the harvesting question. So the garlic, I think they're ready to go. I don't know, you guys tell me. As you can see, we've got some of the browning of the leaves. They've been in since fall, so they've had plenty of time. It's late, it's mid-June right now. So we're kind of stepping into summer for sure. I'm thinking they've been in the ground long enough. It's all organic fertilizer, so let's go ahead and check it out and see what this stuff looks like. Yeah, so there you go. They're small, right? But in comparison to an organic bulb of garlic that I bought at a store, if you look at the difference, I mean, they're pretty much spot on in size, right? So I'm saying this is good. I don't know, to all you garlic experts out there, aficionados, let me know what you guys think. If it's too early, if should I let these go a little bit longer? Yeah, put it in the comments. Teach me, teachers. But I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these anyways and make some room for some more veg. Hey, that's proper, look at that one. That's a bigger one. That's pretty cool. Hey, so Willow, little Willow, my dog, she just comes running up from the patio all scared. I don't know if you can tell, but she's like looking off into the distance because we've got this like foundry up on the hillside, and every once in a while what they'll do is they'll just do some like industrial, like massive like stamping, hydraulic stamping, and it just echoes through the entire valley. And it's the first time she's heard it, and so now she's like, she's over here shivering a little bit because she's like, what the heck was that sound? It's okay. It is okay. You're a good dog. Yes, you are. Don't be scared. Got the whole yard smelling like garlic. It's amazing. Robin. Oh, tiger dog. Oh, he's a tiger lion dog. Hey, Drop it. Drop it. Sit. Drop it. Girl, stay. 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 You stay. Stay. Go get it. Good girl, Willow. Good girl, come here. Yeah. Oh, that's oh man, you're a tiger, crazy tiger lion dog. Oh, attack the lion dog. Oh. Okay, sit. 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 Good girl. Stay. 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 Sit. Go get it. Girl, Willow. Good girl. Hey, I'm actually pretty impressed with myself. The smell is amazing. The onion and the garlic, it's amazing, guys. Hey, I'm really happy. It's a good way to start my weekend. A nice little quick harvest. And like I said, guys, give me some pointers. I'm still learning. It's a work in progress for sure, but I don't know, I'm gonna definitely be pretty stoked on working with this in the kitchen pretty soon. So, all right guys, thanks again for watching, appreciate it, and all the best and happy growing. Ciao, ciao.